Okay, so predict the reaction condition for the following synthetic transformation. Okay, so first of all, don't get afraid just by looking to this big, reaction. It is very simple, okay? So, as I said, the questions are straightforward in TFR examination. You just have to be clear with the good foundation, okay? You should have good knowledge of the concepts, okay? Simple questions are there. So, you just have to see the molecule and what they have asked. You have to predict the reaction conditions that, we can perform this reaction in presence of light, base, heat, or acid. See, whenever you have light or heat, please do think of, pericyclic reactions, okay? Please do think of pericyclic reactions. Please take those reactions into consideration and just try to eliminate the options. See, what I'll look in this transformation, in this particular case, so like basically there's a cyclization, okay? So there's a formation of a cyclic compound. This is a cyclic chain, okay? And now in the product, there's a formation of a cyclic compound. And what would I notice over here, that there's a pi bond and there are two pi bonds over here, okay? But in the molecule there is only one pi bond, okay? So can we think of cycloaddition type of reactions? What happens in cycloaddition? If I have diene and dienophile, basically we'll be getting a cyclic compound, right, with a double bond over here. So there's a formation of two new sigma bonds, okay, right? Are you getting this point? So we have basically three pi bonds, okay, in the reactant side, and we have only one pi bond. So at cost of two pi bonds, we have formed two sigma bonds, okay. So let's try and confirm this reaction first, then we can eliminate the options. So if I would give 1 2 3 4 over here, so this is first carbon, this is fourth carbon, so there's a new sigma bond with first carbon and fourth carbon, okay. Let me prove this thing first, and then we can eliminate the options. So if I would say this is the first carbon and fourth carbon, so Me is attached over here. Next to Me there's a carbon, and next to this carbon is the first carbon. So this is the first carbon, okay. Yeah, first carbon, okay, then second, then third, and then fourth. So yes, we have a new sigma bond over here. There is no sigma bond attached with this carbon, right? So there's a formation of a new sigma bond. There's only this one bond, okay, which was there in reactant side. So yes, there's a formation of a new sigma bond over here, and yes, there's a formation of a new sigma bond over here. So there is formation of two new sigma bonds, okay. Apart from these two sigma bonds, any new formation? No, there is no new formation. The simple molecule, the same acyclic ring, just the formation of two new sigma bonds at cost of two pi bonds. Yes, there is only one pi bond present. So I can, definitely say it's a cycloaddition type of reaction without any doubts. Okay. So, and what type of cycloaddition? Definitely 4 and 2, 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. Yes or no? Right? This is a 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. And what's the reaction condition for 4 plus 2? We have three, right, three electron pairs. So we can say the reaction condition would be heat. Why is it so? See, if I would take, you know, heat conditions and light. Okay, so uh, let's take the molecular orbital diagrams of first diene. Okay, that means this case. So one, two, three, four, four electrons, right? And in case of heat, light, okay, homo would be the third level. There would be excitation of one electron, right? Okay, that's how we can write, this concept. So we can say homo is psi 2 in case of heat, and homo is psi 3 in case of light, okay. And in case of your diene, right, this is diene, right? In case of diene, we can definitely say that we need basically LUMO, right? We need homo of diene and LUMO of dienophile, right? Dienophile, because it's going to accept, okay. So we should have vacant orbital. So if I have psi 1 and psi 2, so we have psi 2 as LUMO in case of diene, okay. So how we can actually draw a LUMO of diene? So let's say you have to go alternatively, okay, positive and positive, positive and negative, okay. This is actually the LUMO of dienophile, okay. And what about LUMO of diene? So if psi 2 is LUMO of diene, so we would say that, positive and negative, right? And over here we would say it's positive and positive, right? We just have to go alternatively: positive, 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 negative, and positive, positive. So this is this is homo of diene, and this is lumo of dienophile. So you would see one is positive, one is negative, one is positive, one is negative. So over here we can expect, the reaction. Okay, we can expect a constructive overlapping type of pattern. So yes, we need heat over here, not light. Base and acid can be eliminated, so this is a pericyclic reaction. I hope it's clear. You can think that it's not a difficult question. Okay, just be relaxed, just be calm, and try to apply the basic concepts.